roast potatoes, cauliflower cheese.
All over the cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflowers.
Celery.
I love celery sticks.
Yes, I have your celery.
Celery juice.
You hear that? Celery.
Chanterelle.
Uh-huh.
With the golden chanterelles and the bordelaise sauce.
Chanterelles or whatever's fresh.
Chanterelle to D4.
The chanterelles.
For that cherry tomato.
Fresh cherry tomato.
So the cherry tomato.
For swordfish with sweet cherry tomato.
Fresh blueberries and cherry tomato.
Chili pepper and hot chocolate.
And then we do a chili pepper.
Chili pepper, lemon.
Like red hot chili pepper.
Cilantro.
And you hate cilantro.
Cilantro.
I love cilantro.
What is it? Cilantro? Cucumber?
Cucumbers, tomatoes.
Like a cucumber.
Oh, cucumber, where are you?
And an eggplant for Phoebe.
Pepperoni, eggplant.
Eggplant emoji.
Eggplant parmigiana.
Garlic.
Garlic?
Garlic.
Garlic?
Yes.
Garlic.
And fresh mint. Finely shredded fresh mint.
Mint?
Oh, no, thank you.
There's fresh mint.
And mushroom.
Mushroom foot.
Mushroom planet.
Mushroom soup?
Yeah, it's an olive tree.
I got olive. Olive, or is that green bell pepper?
This is an olive tree. Onion.
No, it's onion.
Oh, onions.
Onions. Onions.